Animal Farm. Long, long ago, on a farm called Manor Farm, the animals were very unhappy. They worked all day, but were fed little by their master, the lazy and mean Mr. Jones. A wise old boar named Old Major had a dream. "Animals must be free," he said. "Humans are our only enemy. We must rebel." Soon after, Old Major died, but his words gave the animals a great idea. One day, when Mr. Jones forgot to feed them, the animals chased him and his men off the farm. The rebellion was a success. They were free at last. They renamed the place Animal Farm. They made a list of rules, the most important being, all animals are equal. Two clever pigs, Snowball and Napoleon, became the leaders. Snowball was full of good plans, like building a windmill to make life easier. Napoleon was quieter, but he was watching and waiting. Napoleon didn't like Snowball's ideas. He raised 9 fierce puppies in secret, and they grew into huge, scary dogs. One day, when Snowball was explaining his windmill plan, Napoleon gave a signal. The dogs rushed in and chased Snowball off the farm forever. Now Napoleon was the only leader. He said Snowball was a traitor. He took the windmill idea for himself, but said it was his own all along. He broke the rules one by one. The pigs moved into the farmhouse and slept in beds. They drank the cow's milk and ate the apples, saying, "We need them for our important brain work." The other animals worked harder than ever, especially to build the windmill. A strong, loyal horse named Boxer worked the hardest. His motto was, "I will work harder." When the animals questioned the pigs, a clever pig named Squealer would explain. He twisted the old rules with words. "Beds just mean a place to sleep," he would say. Slowly, the pigs started to walk on 2 legs and wear clothes. The rule, "All animals are equal," was changed. Now it read, "All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others." One terrible night, the windmill they had worked so hard to build was destroyed in a storm. Napoleon blamed Snowball. "He sneaked in and did this," he roared. Boxer worked even harder to rebuild it until he grew old and weak. When he could no longer work, Napoleon sold him to the glue factory. The pigs told everyone he died peacefully in a hospital, but the animals knew the truth. Years passed. The pigs and humans became friends. They had dinner together in the farmhouse. The animals outside looked from pig to man, and from man to pig, and from pig to man again. They looked and looked, but they could no longer tell which was which. The brave dream of freedom was gone.